I would like to thank EVbase for sending me this item today. This is a unique product that has dual functionality and something I haven't seen before. Looking at the box, it says Multifunction car neck support suitable for Tesla Model 3 and Y. On the side, it has black and white as the colors, however only black is currently available for sale. Of course, this may change over time. On the back, it gives an exploded view of how to attach the pieces together. Opening up the lid, we find the headrest is facing down. On the left and right sides are the adjustment levers, which happen to be made of metal. The rest of the rear panel is ABS plastic. Turning it around, we see that it is sculpted with a microfiber suede covering. Inside is a soft memory foam. On the website, you also have a choice of picking a leather option instead of the suede. The interior is memory foam on both choices. It feels very comfortable and soft. Underneath that, we have the bracket that attaches to the seat. This is the side that attaches to the headrest. On the other side, we have two arms that fold out to connect to the third piece. Lastly, the rear mount is the third section that is needed to complete this package. These two sides flip out to become the support for devices like phones or tablets. The mount can also be folded out so that the device can swivel up or down. There are many different angles and positions. On the bottom, there are two metal hooks that, when pushed, drop down. You can use these to hang things behind the seat. On the back is a soft rubber surface that contacts the back of the seat headrest. These two buttons are for attaching the previous bracket's arms. Lifting up the plastic of the base, there's nothing else in the box. Make sure you recycle these items after unboxing. How does it go together? This is just a test fit before we go to the car. Take the headrest and place it so that the left and right levers have the words up facing up. Now take the bracket and make sure the labels on the arms are right side up. Then slide the mount over the headrest. You will see that the groove on the headrest matches that on the bracket. Once it's on the edge, press down on both of the levers and then slide it on the rest of the way. Once on, you can see that the gears that hold it in place when you release the side handles. To adjust, just press down on the handles again. Move the bracket up or down for the placement that you prefer. It offers several inches or centimeters of movement up or down. I like that it has metal levers for durability. Okay, now for the next section. Take the third part and make sure it has the word up facing up. Slide it between the two arms. The arm tabs will fit into it for the first step. Lift up the mount and you will see the two buttons. Press the buttons and push the arms in again for the second locking position. Then it is securely fastened to the top of the seat. Here's a quick preview of the mount moving between horizontal and vertical positions. And the flip out sections stretch outward too. Now that you've seen how all the pieces connect, let's do it in the car now. I'll install this headrest on the driver's seat. You can just use the center bracket first, or use the combination of headrest and bracket like I show here. It's up to you and really doesn't make much of a difference. Place it over the top of the seat. Make sure that the arms of the bracket are spread wide. It will stay in position. Take the third piece and attach it to the left or right arm first and then the other. Once you have the first connection, press the buttons to do the final locking step for the bracket arms. And that's it. The headrest is securely mounted to the seat and now ready for use. Of course, if you ever need to remove it, just press the two buttons to release the mount piece from the bracket and take it out. Press the handles on both sides of the headrest to move it up or down for the position that is comfortable for you. On the back, you can use the mount for your devices. Here I bend it up and down and lower the hooks for you to see. Sitting in the seat, I can adjust the height of the headrest. This will be great on long drives to relieve stress on your neck and provide side support too. The curve of the cushion will meet up with the back of your head and neck and shoulders. Adjust it so it feels good to you. The amount of adjustment is pretty good to cover the wide range of heights for drivers and passengers. It's so soft, I can't help but repeat that memory foam and the suede feels really good. I'm sure that the leather option will look and feel fine too. Here's a close-up of the rear mount. When not in use, it folds up nicely on the back of the bracket. Moving it around to the left and right sides of the bracket, you can see how it looks. This definitely helps since the seat's upper headrest area is not very supportive or adjustable. This accessory fixes that. Let's try some devices on the mount. Taking an iPhone, I just stretch the two mount wings out and insert. It is spring-loaded and keeps the device from moving. Pulling it out from the original position, you can see how the arm can adjust and pivot the phone mount. You have a huge amount of flexibility here. Not only that, but you can rotate the device in the mount so that it can go from landscape to portrait. It can also pivot in any direction in either portrait or landscape positions. Just pull out either of the side wings and the device can be removed. Let's try something larger. Here's a standard 10-inch iPad. Just like with the iPhone, just pull the side wings outward and slide the iPad in between them. The spring will pull them tight around the iPad so it doesn't move. I started in the portrait position, but if you want to watch a movie, just rotate it into the landscape position. Then pull it out and adjust the viewing angle. As you can see, there are many ways to position it for your use. When done using, just extend on one of the side wings outward and pull the iPad out. Then fold the wings closed and rotate back to the original position and it's out of the way. In addition, pressing the hooks on the bottom of the bracket will cause them to extend. Push them again to hide them. While out, you can use this for holding items like shopping bags. For example, here are two right now. I think this is a great multi-function headrest and mount for the Model 3 and Y. The comfortable suede and memory foam works well. The color of the ABS plastic portion of the bracket matches the plastic in the rest of the cabin. Also, for longevity, the metal adjustment handles are great. The flexibility of the mounts will come in handy when using day-to-day and also on trips to hold trash bags or shopping bags. Entertaining children in the back seats with a phone or tablet will also work really well, especially since the devices can be adjusted for good viewing positions. Overall, a super easy installation, and I think it's a nice accessory for any Model 3 or Y. If you are interested in this item, see the link in the video description. Use code RANGER for 15% off your purchase of this or any other item on the EVbase website. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.